Hi there. I'm Michjoy, a professional Photoshop artist from the Philippines, and I've been crafting eye-catching YouTube thumbnails for over 4 years right here on Fiverr. In that time, I've worked with content creators of all sizes, including some big-name YouTubers with thousands of loyal fans, and I'm here to help you stand out too. Whether you're in the gaming scene, running a vlog, reviewing products, or sharing your cooking journey, the right thumbnail can be the difference between a scroll past and a click. That's where I come in. For just $10, I'll design a compelling gaming YouTube thumbnail that demands attention and encourages viewers to hit that play button. From music to sports, market updates to lifestyle content, I've got you covered. I specialize in high-quality designs with unlimited revisions to ensure you're 100% satisfied. My turnaround time is quick, and I never compromise on professionalism. So, why choose my gig? Because I focus on 3 things: quality, speed, and your satisfaction. I don't work with adult content, rendering, or custom drawing, but everything else is fair game. All I need from you is a few simple things: the details for your thumbnail, a high-quality image, and a short bit of text. From there, I'll take care of the rest and deliver a thumbnail that speaks directly to your audience. Let's get more clicks, more views, and more revenue starting today. I'm Michjoy, and I can't wait to bring your vision to life.